In this English lesson, I wanted to help you learn the word schmozzle. When there's a schmozzle, it means that something is a mess. Let's say you're at work and you need 4 truckloads of, I don't know, flour in order to make bread that day. Maybe you work at a bread factory and only 1 truckload showed up. That would be a real schmozzle. Or maybe instead of 4 truckloads showing up, 8 truckloads show up. That's a schmozzle. It's a funny word. I don't even know if I'm quite saying it correctly, but I heard a colleague say it today. They said, wow, there's just a real schmozzle. And I won't give you the specifics, but whenever you use this word, it means something is a mess. It means it's not going the way it's supposed to, or it isn't the way it's supposed to be. The other word I wanted to teach you today is bamboozle. This means when you trick someone, usually for financial gain. By the way, I like the funny words today, schmozzle and bamboozle. When you bamboozle someone, it means that you trick them into buying something that isn't worth what you think it is. If Jen was to bamboozle people at market, eventually people would be annoyed with us because she would be tricking them, maybe selling them 10 flowers in a bouquet and saying there's 30 in there or something like that. She would be bamboozling them. So to review, I already put the words away. A schmozzle is a mess, and when you bamboozle someone, you trick them, usually because you want to get money from them somehow. Ooh, it's getting a little cold out here. Hey, let's look at a comment from a previous video. This comment is from Sajonara. Hi Bob, by the way, did you fasten the seat belt around the bottle? And my response, I did indeed. I learned my lesson a long time ago when a bottle fell over in my van and the lid came off. Yeah, that was a mess. I was going to say schmozzle, but that doesn't really describe it. But yes, I did have that. Thanks for the comment, by the way. I did have that once. By the way, I put a water bottle in my van in the last video, and after I put it, or in my car, and then after I put it in there, I did put the seatbelt through the handle and fasten the seatbelt, because that's a good way to prevent it from falling over. So anyways, how's everybody doing? I have to admit, I'm a little bit nervous. It's the first day of school, or first day of second semester tomorrow. That's probably why I'm talking so quickly. I'm just going to go over here out of the wind a little bit. It's it is quite a bit colder than I was expecting out here. Sorry, I was just looking at the ground here because it's a bit of a different color, and this is where my van was parked. So I better check the oil in that van. I don't think it's oil. I don't know, what do you think it is? You see how it's a little darker there than it is over here. I think though that might just be from yesterday. Things melted a bit, and so the vehicles all have like salt and sand and stuff on the side from the roads, and maybe that just kind of slipped off. So can I venture out into the cold again? Yeah, probably. I'll do that. So, or maybe not. A little colder than I was expecting. I was going to show you this as well. We had a windstorm. That was not there the other day. That actually came from, I think it came from over there. We have a bit of a junk pile over there. You've probably seen it in a few videos. I do really need to clean that up. And I think that blew over here. There's a few other things that blew around as well, but mostly we made it through okay. Anyways, thanks for watching. Wish me luck for tomorrow, and I'll see you in a few days with another short English lesson. Bye.